Hey guys, it's Lexi, Rose the cat, of course. I'm outside right now. I'm waiting for fireworks, and of course my toy dog Spot is with me. Hey Reb. I'm standing outside waiting for fireworks, because tomorrow is 4th of July if you didn't know that. So, I hear some, but I don't see them. Because of the trees in the way. Stupid trees. Like, hey Reb. I thought there would be some popping up there. Huh. I can't see any. Huh. Strange.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. And my mom, or Lexi's mom, has an Instagram channel, Peterman Delana. So, don't forget to follow her.
Yep, Spot is right. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like, subscribe. And sorry, because the comments won't let anyone comment on them. But make sure to follow my mom on Instagram, Peterman Delana. So, yeah, let's get back to the vid.
Hey, Sassy. Come here, Sassy Bear. Sassy Bug.
That's Sassy.
Sassy.
Cute girl. She looks like a Dalmatian, but she's not. She's a Feist mix. That's her dad, Rebel. I don't see any fireworks. Torch on. Yeah, I don't have my shoes on right, but I'm lazy. Ooh, cool. That's strange. I've never seen this happen before. Let's just sit our butts down and turn the torch off, so you can see the fireworks better. Sorry if I'm making you guys dizzy. I just saw a firefly. Didn't catch it on camera. Come on, fireflies. It's been getting warmer. Way warmer during the day. I knew I heard some. Yeah, I hate it when you guys dislike. I'm not trying to be rude. I hate it because I'm a brand new YouTuber. Don't judge my animations and my memes. Don't judge them. I try my best. I have to keep trying to make them better, but they never turn out good. So, what you guys need to do is start appreciating me more. Sound fair? Huh? Don't dislike. You better like it. or I'm gonna slap my camera. I'm kidding, guys. I get angry. Ooh, there's my shadow. So, guys, I'm not trying to get angry at you, but I just get angry kind of easily. Gotta go, guys. Bye! Wait, I forgot my outro. So, guys, that's what we have for tonight. I hope you enjoyed this video. Awesome day. Bye, my cats and wild kitty. Well, bye, my kittens and wildcats.